Crow's nest.
Room 5373, interior king. You come in, immediately on your left, there's your bed, 2 night tables, 2 night lamps, and there's also a plug for plugging your phones into. Across from the bed is your desk, and it comes with 1 American plug, 1 European plug, and then your TV is right there next to the mirror over the desk. And you get a little stool, and then your hairdryer would be in that drawer right there. Over here you got 2 cabinets. First one is just shelves for storage. Second one is your refrigerator. And then you got like a little hallway, and you come down on the left. There's a closet, and there's your safe, and you have a bunch of shelves. And the second closet is where you hang your clothes, and there's also a spot for a lower bar to hang clothes. And then one more closet. There's your life jackets, hang clothes, and you got a shelf. A couple little hooks down here at the end of the hall. Across from the closet is your bathroom. And you get the shower curtain, and there's a dirty towel, and there's your toilet, there's a sink, and you get 3 shelves over there, and 3 shelves over here on this side. And remember, there's a step up into the bathroom, so be careful. Here's your control for the bathroom, the light switch. There's your thermostat. And looking back towards the room from here, that's what your room looks like. So, interior king.